Are you ready to unlock the secrets to wealth and happiness? If you're tired of feeling stuck in your current financial situation and longing for a more fulfilling life, then you won't want to miss out on the 5 essential steps we're about to share. Join us for this eye-opening video and discover the proven strategies for building wealth and living the life of your dreams. Before we start, let's understand, what is wealth and how do you achieve it? Wealth is more than just money. It is the accumulation of assets, resources, and opportunities that enable you to live a life of purpose and fulfillment. Achieving wealth requires more than just hard work. It requires planning, discipline, and determination. From investing in yourself to understanding the power of compound interest. This video will explore what wealth is and how you can achieve it. Step 1. Create a financial plan and set goals. Creating a financial plan is the first step to achieving your long-term financial goals. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals that will give you the best chance of success. A financial plan can help you track your progress and make sure that you are on track to reach those goals. It can also help you identify potential risks and opportunities so you can make informed decisions about how to manage your finances. Step 2. Increase your income through side hustles and investing. With the right strategy and dedication, you can increase your income through side hustles and investing. Whether you're looking to make extra money on the side or want to start making investments for the long term, there are plenty of ways to get started. From freelance writing and selling products online to investing in stocks or real estate, there are numerous opportunities available for anyone looking to increase their income. By taking advantage of these options, you can take control of your financial future and achieve greater financial freedom. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses and create smart spending habits. In order to achieve financial freedom, it is important to create smart spending habits and cut unnecessary expenses. This step is essential for any individual who wants to manage their finances well. By learning how to spend wisely, you can save money and make sure that your money is going towards the things that matter most. Additionally, cutting unnecessary expenses can help you free up more money for investing or saving for the future. With a few simple steps and smart budgeting strategies, you can create a budget that works for you and help you reach your financial goals. Step 4. Learn the basics of investing and asset allocation. Investing is an important part of financial success and security. It is important to understand the basics of investing and asset allocation strategies in order to make wise decisions when investing. Learning the basics of investing, such as understanding different types of investments, asset classes, and strategies for diversification, can help ensure that you are making informed decisions about your money. Additionally, knowing how to allocate assets in a portfolio can help you maximize returns while minimizing risk. With knowledge of the basics of investing and asset allocation strategy, you will be able to confidently invest your money with confidence. Step 5. Take advantage of tax strategies. Tax planning can be an important part of your financial plan. Understanding the different tax strategies and benefits available to you can help you save money and make the most of your income. By taking advantage of tax deductions, credits, and other strategies, you can reduce your taxable income and maximize your savings. Thank you for watching this video on how to get rich. I hope that you have found the information shared here to be valuable and insightful.